Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you must have heard about that, or you must have seen my earlier video that Whitehead Junior has changed their recruitment process. So those who have gave their first demo or preparing for the second one or already given their second demo, they have to go through an online test in which 5 questions are there. You have to solve them in 45 minutes. So I was receiving so many doubts that those who are preparing for their demo, they have received an PDF also. And after this new recruitment or updated process, they have received another PDF also. So they are confused that whether they should prepare for the earlier PDF or the new PDF. So regarding this, I had a conversation with Whitehead Junior recruitment team and training manager, and she made it clear. And I'm attaching that audio in my this video. Hope that will clear all your doubts. Or I think you don't have to worry about this. This audio will make it clear, will make clear all your doubts, whatever you are having in your mind. So let's go ahead and listen that audio. Yes, ma'am. And I have a query regarding the same. Like I have received a different PDF earlier, and since you have changed your hiring process for of taking the test of the new tutors, I have received another PDF. So I'm very much confused. Which PDF should I go for? For which PDF I should prepare? Please guide on that.
All right. So as you said that earlier you got that professional level PDF and now you got that applied tech PDF. All right. So don't be confused about it because for the time being you have to prepare the coding part only. You have to prepare for the technical part only because on that day, whatever the date you received, on that day you have to give your technical round. Okay, the coding part that will be on or all about 45 minutes. All right, and on the basis of the marks that you will gain over there, you will be informed which one PDF you have to prepare, and you will be provided that PDF only. Fine. So don't be confused anymore. Means it is not like that you have to prepare for the PDF and the technical round all together. It is not like that. Both will not be conducted all together. One by one, it will be done. So first, your technical round will be held, and on the basis of the marks that you gain over there, you will be given the PDF, and that one PDF you have to prepare only. All right.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. So did you receive the mail?
Yeah, I have received the mail.
Okay, okay. So fine. You just prepare for the technical round.
Okay, okay.
So hope everything is clear now. You must make your mind that you don't have to prepare for any PDF, just prepare for your टेक्निकल टेस्ट और इसके बाद ही आपको किसी पीडीएफ की तैयारी करने की ज़रूरत है ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ योर मार्क्स व्हाट यू अचीव्ड इन योर टेस्ट the PDF will be provided to you. So guys, please support and what you're waiting for, just subscribe and hit the bell icon, and in case of any doubt you can ask that in comment section. Thank you.